Hello everyone, welcome to NCC YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce the concept of HSN and SAC code. Our previous video was on introductions to GST. Please watch it. Before explaining the HSN and SAC code, first we must understand the types of business. There are three types of business. First is a manufacturing, that is purchase raw material and convert it into finished product. Here the manufacturer purchase the raw materials and convert it into finished product or the final products. For example, a shirt from cotton cloth. Then second is the trading business. Here a trader purchase goods from supplier and sold to customer or retailer. For example, a trader purchase computer from supplier and sold to customer. Here a trader get commission. Both types of manufacturing and trading, goods are traded. Goods are tangible and visible. Those goods come under GST is given the HSN code. Then the third type of business is service. Here the business provides services. For example, bank, warehouse, insurance company, post office, etc. Here only services are given, and services are intangible and also invisible. Services has given a code which means SAC code. What is the HSN code? HSN code stands for Harmonized System of Nomenclature. It was developed by the World Customs Organization WCO and it came into effect from 1988. India has been member of WCO since 1971. This system has been introduced for the systematic classification of goods all over the world. It helps uniform classification of goods and facilitates intermediate trade. HSN code is a numerical and not alphabetic. HSN code is a 6-digit uniform code that classified 5,000 plus products and accepted worldwide. Later, Customs and Central Excise added 2 more digits and HSN code of 8-digit number. The first 6 digits of the HSN code cannot be altered. HSN code is a combination of sections, chapters, heading and subheading. Let's explain. Section represent a border of goods and it contains 21 sections. Then chapter. It represents a particular class of goods and it contains 99 chapters. Heading. Chapter is divided into various headings depending upon various types of goods and it contains 1244 headings. Subheading. Each heading contains product. It contains 5224 subheading. Now, here is an example of HSN code for computer, and HSN code for computer is 84713010. Let me explain. First 2 digit, that is 84, represent the chapter. Then next 2 digit, that is the 71, represent the section. 30 represent the subheading and the last 10 digit represent the product. Here also I will give an example of computer accessories. First is the mouse and its HSN code is 847160 847160. Okay. Next scanner, HSN code is 84716050. And next accessories is keyboard 84716040. Here 847160 is a common, but when the product is altered, that is the mouse, last two digit represent 60 is for the mouse. In scanner 50 represent for the scanner product code. Keyboard, the product code is 40. Okay, so 847160 is common in all the computer accessories. Okay, I hope you understand this SHN code. Is it a mandatory for dealers to mention the HSN codes? It is a depend upon the annual turnover of the dealer. They are as under. If turnover is below rupees 1.5 crores, then that trader must use 0 digit. So it was not necessary to use the digit. If turnover is between rupees 1.5 crore to 5 crores, then that trader must use 2 digit HSN code. If turnover of that trader above rupees 5 crore, then he should use 4 digit. For import and export of goods, the trader must use 8 digit number, that is a compulsory for him. Okay. What is the purpose of HSN code? First is the purpose of HSN is to make GST systematic and globally accepted. Second is, by using HSN code, there is no need to upload a detailed descriptions for each good which falls under GST. And the third purpose is, the goods are recognized with different names in different areas, so it's help to identify the goods with HSN code. Let's explain what is the SAC code. SAC code stands for Service Accounting Code, that is SAC. Like goods, services are also classified uniformly for recognition, measurement and taxation. Codes are also given to the services is called Service Accounting Code. The SAC is strictly 6 digit and numeric. The first two digits are same for all services, that is 99. The next two digits represent the major nature of services, and the last two digits represent detailed nature of services. To find out HSN code for our product, the website is given by government is www.cbic/gst.gov.in. You can find out this website for your product HSN code. I hope you better understand the concept of HSN and SAC codes. If you like video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.